everybody. We have everybody here, Saha and also Stephanie. Say hello.
Hi.
So we have this wonderful patient here with just a little bit of fungal infection. Let me just have a look. So we've got a couple here that's onychoxic, thickened there, and then I think these ones are the most superficial ones. So what we're going to do, we're just going to drill it. Some of this can be nail polish staining. So we're going to just superficially clean this. Some fungal infection is also known as white superficial fungal infection, which are little tiny dots on the front. So we're just going to clean these ones first. And they come off very, very, very easily. But also, they can also come back very, very, very easily too. And I'm just going to do that one. A little bit. And these just really need a superficial clean. That one, I might want to just cut that back a little bit. You see, cleaning it very superficially. I'm using acrylic ceramic nails. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Feels awkward, doesn't it, a little bit? Peel that back, clean it. Rest of these procedures, you can catch the skin. The skin can bleed. You can relatively clean as much of the infection as much as possible. Relax. So we're just going to do this one. See the brittleness of the nail from the fungal infection. See, the color is not as exactly the same. That one's pink, that one's kind of murky color looking. So I always suspect that there's fungal infection quite deep within the nail root. And then just a little toe here. Little toe is under riding, so when we do the laser, we're going to have to put some cotton just to expose it. And then because it's under riding, it's always going to be vulnerable to secondary infection, so we need to really talk about what we can do to just get that out. So the other foot here, a little bit worse than the other side. We're just going to clean this fifth toenail. So just bleeding a little bit, very normal because it's just touched your nail bed. So we'll adjust that. Clean that with disinfectant water. that fungus, turning this drill into different color. And that fungus is all the way down to the nail root.